Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into MySalesDialer application. So to log in, just open the application and you need to accept the terms and condition. Once you have accepted the condition, it will show subscription inactive because you have not logged in yet. So once you will log in, this will go away. So to log in, go to this MySalesDialer.com sync, and once you visit here, you need to first register yourself as an agent. For that you can visit the website MySalesDialer.com, and first you will register the manager's account, and from there you need to register an agent. Now only agents can log into the application, and here username you can give is the username of the manager, right? So I am entering the username here, and the verification code which the agent has received, right? So agent might have received the verification code on the mobile, so that OTP you need to enter here. And then here you can give the mobile number of the agent, or which you have utilized during the registration, the same number. So once you have entered all the thing, you just need to hit on login to MySalesDialer.com. Here it says login successful. After that you need to just sync in. So all the data which is there into your cloud will sync automatically with the application. So yeah, that's it. This is the process to log in.